Hi, and welcome to Discovering DataFlex number 17 with me, Johan Brotfeldt. Today we are going to look a little bit deeper into data dictionaries and how they work and how you set them up in order to interact with each other. Because data dictionaries are the glue that are keeping the different tables and relations together and making sure that the data is updating as you expect it to. So we're going to start a look at the basic code of a view and the view and see what is going on. First of all, the data dictionaries that you use in this view are included like this. Use, we have the product data dictionary that we use down number and name here. You have the order data dictionary, which is the entire order, the order head here. And you have the detail data dictionary, which is the detail lines here. So in the order, the object order, which is the main panel of this view here, we have a product data dictionary. Product DD is a C product data dictionary of this type. We have an order data dictionary, which is a order data dictionary there. And we can set parameters, set allow foreign new save state to true. This lets you save a new parent data dictionary from within the child, which means that if you add a line without creating a parent, a header, this will automatically add a header for you. So you don't actually have to type anything here. You can go directly down here and type something, and when this line is created, it will also automatically create a header for you. Then you have the order detail data dictionary, and here you have a set server to product data dictionary and set server to order data dictionary, and constrain file on order file number, so we don't get any lines down here that do not correspond to the current ID of the order. And this detail should relate up to the order, and it should relate up to the product. So that's why we have these lines. Then we have the set main DD to order DD, and this is basically set the same as the server of the main view. I haven't heard of anyone using something else, but the server DD, this is the order DD of the head here. That means basically that if you press delete while being in this view, then it is an order you are deleting. And then we go down to the main panel, which is this area, all this. That's keeping the server order DD. So anywhere you delete down here, it's order DD. But in the order detail, the detail grid, we actually set a new server, which is order detail. So if you delete something on a row here, you shouldn't delete the entire order. You should only delete the specific line. And of course, the data dictionaries take care. So if you delete an order where you have a couple of lines, all of those lines will also be deleted from the database. And these are the products. So you have the product number, product name, detail, unit, detail amount, detail unit price, detail amount, and detail total. So those are the data sources for these columns. Now let's have a look what's happened when you do a regular save. First, you update the record buffer. Clear main file of order, field defaults on new current record. We recognize this from the last video, where we are basically updating the data in the record buffer from the database and making sure that everything is as it should. Then we have maintain relations, and we run all of these function, relate main file, and updating the relations. And then the database is locked, and we're going to, these are the relations. Then the database is locked, and we have a order backout, product backout, detail backout. Then we go back into detail and do an update, and an order update and a product update. If we are adding a new one, it does create and then update. And if we are deleting, it's running back out and then delete. So we also have this difference between the upper half and the lower half. And this is when we are here, the record buffer, all the tables have data from the database. And when we run update and delete, all the tables have data from the form. So first you run the order, product and detail, and then the detail, order and product. When you have the new values. And that's why we, in the last video, did a delete where we remove the amount on the line completely. Even when we did a change, removed the amount, and then we added the new amount to keep the total in balance. And when this is done, we do a validate save. And remember, the data is still in the record buffer. We haven't saved anything. This function will just do a last validate and verify that the data we have are as it should be before going to save, because we can cancel here and go back and ignore everything we've done. Then we do a save like this. First we save the order and the product, make sure those are up to date, and then we save ourselves. This is the detail, and this is when we add a line. And then the database is unlocked. And that was all for this little video. Now you have a better understanding on how data dictionaries work. And that's that. Bye for now.